Og så mig, der nu er det Mr.
Jeg kommer ikke til at gå med kasket med. Det er jeg
Ja. Har du en tommestok, så bliver du sgu nødt til at måle den lynlås. Jeg har lige...
Ja, det skal jeg ikke kunne svare på.
Jamen, det er det, jeg mener. Højtallet og lavtallet, det må være noget lynlås.
The idea of having the hat was that I saw this Make America Go Away. They took this MAGA movement and turned it around, and I said, wow, that's a good idea to make it in a way that you can laugh at it, and in the same way you make a political message. So then I was thinking, oh, can I do something in Danish? And then I made this cap, Nudenuk, which means actually now it's Inuk, if you could try and do it in an English version, and Nuuk, it's the capital from Greenland.
Jamen, så er det da fint.
Så er det sgu ikke, altså. Bare det virker.
And suddenly it went viral, and I think the political message also had really a good, it was spot on, yeah? Because now the politicians, they start to say, nu det nok, now it's enough. And that's the message on the cap, because we don't want to have any more bullshit. The new one is called Already Great, and we made Not for Sale and things like this. So it was really a nice atmosphere, and was nice to be a part of a movement where people stick together to help and say now it's enough. Yeah. Of course, it makes me proud that I can be a part of a movement and also to help the Greenland people and tell them that we support them, especially because the life when I hear up from Greenland is that the children are really afraid, they are anxious, they don't sleep at night, they are crying and so on. So it's been really tough times for the people from Greenland.
Ja.
Now there's a lot of places who makes copy, and I know they sell a lot abroad, but I think we send now there will probably come new caps in next week, and we sent to Greenland, I think, about 1,500 pieces, and we have 6,500 pieces on its way now. The free speech has gone in a way you can't. I mean, we need to go back to the democracy where we can talk to each other. Though we are not have the same meaning about things, we have to talk about it. It can't go on like this. And there's also a message when we start to act like this on the political scene. It goes down to our children and so on. Yeah, it's not the way to do it.
Det er den måske. Nå, du skal se, du har den heroppe.
I don't think he care, and I would never send anything to this man. But actually we did this new one called Already Great because we were afraid that they would maybe take this cap and say, oh, see, they have their own MAGA movement now, they do it in Danish and they are with us, and then another lie and so on. So we had to use the spoken word, the written word to go out and say it's not for sale and it's already great and so on. Yeah.
Ja.
Actually did a good job to try and calm all down. I mean, that's how it is. And it always, what Trump thought is he is winning now, that's always been a possibility for him. But you know how it is. The most important is that he thinks he's winning, and then we can go on, continue with the normal life, almost normal life. If I could say something to Trump, I would definitely say that we have to get the free speech back. It can't be true that you can't have another opinion than his opinion, and then he starts to attack you, and what we see all the time.
Jeg skal også kigge på det der papir der. Nej. Ja,